How is everyone doing? Welcome to another video on the Free My Wheels channel. Thank you for tuning in, and I am showcasing everything that I found for the month of December, the last month of 2019. We had a good run this whole year, found a lot of goodies, so let's get into it. Let's start. I'll start with the Matchbox. We got this 9-piece Matchbox. I got it for the Lamley truck. I think it's a Ford. That was pretty cool. I like that Land Rover. Which other one did I also get it for? I like that truck too. But the other ones are extras. You know, it's okay. And this looks like a Ranchero, exclusive one. Pretty cool. So yeah, I got this 9-piece one, and then here's another Matchbox. This is a 95 Subaru SVX. I saw this one online and I thought it was a pretty dope, pretty cool car. I got two of these, and here's the other one. So I got two of those, and then we got this truck right here, 57 GMC step side in red. Really beautiful color. Awesome. So that's that one, and then we have these over here. There you go. I got 3 of these. Thought it was a pretty cool bike. Polaris Slingshot. So I got 3 of these. And then over here is a 76 International Scout 4x4 in gray. These are the box editions, I guess. They're line. They just come in this little box, and this was another beautiful Matchbox. 63 Austin Healey Roadster in gray. Thought it was pretty cool. Picked that up. And then for Hot Wheels, we got this SpongeBob one. I'm really not a fan of the card art or all the other cars, but I did get this one for my son because he likes SpongeBob. He's starting to get into SpongeBob. Combat Medic is the name of the vehicle. It has SpongeBob plastered on the side. I like the blue color and the little flowers of the show that they have. Like, pretty cool. And I think those are the silhouettes of the buildings. Maybe that's the pineapple, and that's Patrick's rock on the door. And I'm assuming on the other side must be Squidward and another character's home. Next one for Hot Wheels, in this Hot Wheels Screen Time Sword Warthog, really cool model in red. Hope I find more of these. And then we got a RV There Yet, pretty cool. Got 2 of these, courtesy of my pops. Found those. Here's a Mustang in yellow, 2005 Ford Mustang from Hot Wheels Dream Garage. Pretty cool. Next one is from Honda Monkey 250. That was a pretty cool bike. Next, Road Bandit. Pretty cool bus. Hot Wheels Armored Truck. Thought this one was awesome. Pretty cool. Gotta crack that open. And on this side, we got 2 of these 64 Nova Wagon Gassers in gray. And all those really cool tempos. Jerry Rigged. So there it is. The Nova Wagon Gasser. And then 2 of these Jaguar XJ 220, 220. Very beautiful Jaguar. Love it. Love that orange. So that's pretty cool. And over here we got some Batman. I got a Justice League Batmobile. I got so many of these, but decided to pick this one up because this one is cool. It says Puerto Rico 2018 Hot Wheels. So yeah, I don't know what all that about. Then I got 3 of these. The Dark Knight Batmobile tumbler in white with purple glass. We got 2 of these. Actually, we got 4 of those. Cracked one open a while ago. A Pixel Shaker. This is like the bone shaker, but in pixels. Pretty cool. This is a new for 2020. Special feature is see bag for details. Let's see. What's the special feature? Oh, you can put the figurine to ride inside or in the back. So there it is. Very cool. So this is what the main line for Hot Wheels. Now let's go with these Star Wars Strike Back, Crush the Rebellion. I got this one for the walkers because this is a really cool color and vehicle to use for that image. I like it. Has real riders, metal on metal. 88 Mercedes Unimog U1300. So we got to pick this one up. And then I also picked up this I think it's Jango Fett or Boba Fett. I think it's Boba Fett. This is a Ford Transit Super Van. Look at that. It's really cool. Has that the Mandalorian logo or the Bounty logo. I'm not too sure. But also real riders and middle on middle. And these are all the ones that are available. I saw the Darth Vader one, but did decide not to pick it up. Probably just gonna keep these 2. Those 2 are one of my favorites. Maybe I'll get the Darth Vader later. I don't know. And then last for Hot Wheels is this the Minecraft, the skeleton, the character cars. This is one of those games that I enjoy playing on my off time when I have time. You know, not too much of a gamer, and I am trying to get all of them, as you can see. So I got 3. This is the 4th one. I am missing the Creeper and the Enderman only, so those I'm gonna be looking out for those. Now here are the Disney Pixar Cars by also Mattel. Duke Coulters. I thought this was a really cool vehicle. You know, the style, it looks like a buggy. But there it is. All the details. I'm gonna crank it open in a few. And here is another one. This is a fan favorite, also from Disney Pixar Cars. And this is Team 51 Ramone. Very cool. Cruz Ramirez. Dinoco. Look, I like the color and the style of it, so that's why I picked it up. That was a very cool piece that I would like to have. Now this one is very special, and that I'm glad that I found. It's the yellow hydraulic Ramon. See it's lifted, so that's why I picked it up. And the paint job is sweet. That yellow and that detail, the purple flame, and a little bit of green. That pinstripes is awesome. So I thought this one was sweet. That's why I picked it up. So I think that would be it. Everything that I have found for December. Oh, lastly, this big Monster Jam. I have not picked one of these up. This is the first one. We have some Monster Jams around the house, but gifted and found in the pula or just random toys that we found. And this is the first one that I've purchased. The Ice Cream Man. There's the Ice Cream Man, little figurine, and then it has all that, cool stuff. It's a cool paint job on the side. Very cool. So that's why I picked it up, and I'm gonna let my oldest son, crack this one open, so he can have it there in his toys. That's why I kind of picked it up. So yeah, that is everything that I have found for the month of December. What a way to close the year. We had so much fun finding all the pieces and collecting, hunting with friends, with the homies. So yeah, I hope everyone is having a great year. I hope you guys find what you're looking for. Good luck on the hunt, and let's keep this hobby going. So next year, 2020 is going to be another great year for the collection, and we'll see you there. Peace. Have a good one, y'all.